Hello everyone again, welcome to another Fusion360 tip. In this one we're going to go over a modify tab once again, and this one is going to be on replace face. Replace face is a tool that I really just learned how to use and what it did not until recently, and oh my goodness, there were so many times I could have been utilizing this, and I put in so much work in order to do what this thing does within a few clicks. Holy cow, this is how it works. So let's say you have a curved surface. In this example anyway, there are many more examples you could use to show how to use this tool, but in this case we're just going to go over something I did recently in order to explain this. So recently I've had a curved surface and I wanted to have a support beam that I was going to do a circular pattern on and make more of, and I would use this X here, and I want it to be flush around this circular object. The replace face tool works in this manner. So what I'm going to do is I got my profile. I'm going to extrude it just a little bit here, just to kind of get things going. So we're going to go to our replace face in our modify tab, and then what we're going to do is we're going to select our source face. In this case, it's going to be this side of our X right here. Now what we're going to do is going to do our target face. We're going to select this and watch the magic happen. Boom. Oh my goodness. It has now extruded this face to this circular material and wrapped it around and didn't go through, and wow, that is magic. I have done so many things that I could have used this on, oh my goodness, and the time wasted. So needless to say, this is a very useful tool to remember and utilize if you're doing things with curved surfaces, or you could even do different types of surfaces even. You could do some crazy things. Alright, so in this case we'll have another example of what you can do with this tool. So as we have here, we have a small little cylinder and we have a curved object right here, and what we'll do is we'll do replace face. We'll click on this one and we'll do target faces. As you see, it has now taken the shape of this curve. So what we'll do is we'll hit OK, and now once we get rid of this, as you can see, it has kept that profile of what we just made. And really kind of a neat thing that'll cut down a lot of work. Really neat tool to utilize. These are just a few examples of how it works. I mean, there are many other ways that it can work than I'm showing you, but to keep this short, that's just basically how this tool works, and it is a handy one to have. Hopefully this was helpful and you understand how to use it. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, stay creative.